So in a given problem, he has given a circuit which is of application of counters, and is asking what is the modulus of a counter. So is also given that the initial states are all are zeros. So when there is no clock pulse, this is Q0, this is Q1, this is Q2. So when there is no clock pulse, all are zeros. So when I give the first clock pulse, what will happen? If I give first clock pulse, this Q2 is 0, so Q2 bar is 1. So this 1 will come to here. So J0 and K0 will be 1 1. So that means whatever the earlier it is there, it will become complement. So Q0 earlier is 0, now it will become 1. And what about Q1? So Q1 depends on J1 and K1 values. So earlier when Q0 is 0, so J1 and K1 is also zeros. So when these two are zeros, there is no change in the Q1 value. So previous value is 0, now is also 0, no change. What about Q2? So Q2 output depends on J2 and K2. So anyway this Q2 bar is 1. What about this J2? So this is K1. So K1 is how much? K1 is 0, and Q1 in the ideal is also 0. So this is 0 0. So J2 is 0. So that means this is 0 and this is 1. So the output will be 0. So Q2 will be 0. So in the similar pattern you have to do this. So in the second clock pulse, the pattern will be 0 1 0, and the third clock pulse, this will become 1 1 0, and fourth clock pulse, this will become 0 0 1, and in the fifth clock pulse, this will become 0 0 0. So that means after the 5 clock pulses, it is resetting to the initial value. So the modulus of this counter is nothing but 5.